Hey guys, what is good? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to the channel. You're welcome to vlogmas day 18. Today's video is very simple and straight to the point. Guys, we are learning how to fix our false lashes. So the first thing is glue, and in today's video I'm using this from Classic Makeup. In order to get a seamless and perfect result, it is important to leave your glue to get tacky before you go in with your lashes. And make sure you put your glue on the exact spot you want your lashes to be. Can you guys see that? Very seamless, very beginner friendly, and that is it guys. No much simmering. If you have learned anything from this video, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and if you can, please share, and I'll see you guys in my video tomorrow. Bye guys. Mwah.